G'day there. This is another website I use. It's called Book Creator. I used it with my students in reading, and they were in groups and book club groups, and I got them to create a book. It's pretty user friendly, so I like it. The kids liked it. It's pretty easy to navigate around. The purpose of using this is, instead of like doing a book review for a poster, they got to all work together, and that you can add videos, you can add animations, you can add music, you could add links to different things, and obviously you've got your text as well. So the kids really enjoyed working together to create their books. So the intended audience, you can, year 5 is what I teach. I definitely see some younger students using it, and obviously older for sure. So I'm definitely going to use it again. So I'm going to do a very quick tutorial just how to get us started. So I've got a free account. So one thing I found out with a free account, you only get up to 40 books. So when I've got 70 students, but they were in groups, I did hit my 40 book max, and then I had to start deleting some stuff. So okay, we're just going to go up here and click on new book. So you've got a choice. I'm going to choose the landscape, and this is going to be the cover here. So what I'm going to do is, if I go to the middle button up here, I'm going to click it. This will give me a chance to get a background, and you've got all different things. Comics, I don't really want any of those as a background, so I just click the back arrow. But I'm going to go down to textures, because they're kind of not too dark, and you can have your fonts going over the top of that. So then I'm going to click the button here, and then I can import pictures and stuff. I can use the camera, I can do video, you can handwrite, but I'm going to add some text. And what I've got here is a Word document that is open, because I just want to cut and paste. I've got a few things I want to put into the book, so I'm kind of ready to do that. So I'm just going to paste it there. I can make it bold if I wish, and I just go done. So what I can do here is, if I kind of click on the middle button, there's all my options for the text. So I want to make it bold, there we go, and if I just pull on this, it'll kind of adjust, and then I've got the slider, so I can kind of make it as big or small as I want. I'm just going to center that, and I'm pretty happy with the black. I might change I kind of like Cameron as a font, so I'll use that one there. Okay, so that's just kind of my cover, but I could also just like add a picture or whatever it may be. So pages, so I'm going to just add a second one here. If I go to here, I'm just going to click, it's got recent, so the background automatically comes up. So what I'm going to do next is, I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to import a picture. So you can do maps, files, that's what you get from your computer, anything from Google Drive, and this is if you want to embed a hyperlink. So I'm going to go to files, and I'm going to add this one here, and argumentative essay topics. So this will be something that my kids and I will talk about. I'm just going to add another page, and what I'll do is, I'm just going to kind of add a hyperlink or something here, so you can have a look. Add an item. So import, what I want to do is, if I'm going to embed, so I've pressed embed, but I've actually got the link here, and it's about like a bunch of school kids in California did a video petition to Crayola about the environment, and so I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to embed it in here, and then I'm going to paste, and then confirm web link, and then so it just pops up automatically, and I am Crayola, make your mark. Okay, but I can change that if I want. Add to book, and what I can do there is, I'm thinking, okay, I'm just going to add some text here, and I go back to my document, and then this is my heading for that page, and we're going to go back to Book Creator, there we go, paste it, and done. Okay, so same thing, I can just play around with that font, and I'm going to keep it the same, and I'm going to go back. I just want it centered, but I actually want to bring this up. So if I just pull this out here, then there we go. That's it there. And what I can do is if I press to my books, I haven't named it yet, but this is the edit button, but we're going to just quickly play it, and this will flick the pages, and then you can just click that. And my name is Olivia. Hi. There we go. So that's just a quick tutorial. I definitely recommend it. Thank you.